In the last decade, the world has witnessed a digital revolution and a qualitative leap in the financial sector, payment systems, and sending and receiving money. The cryptocurrency market has now become the talk of the town, with people divided between supporters and opponents. However, with the passage of time, the cryptocurrency market demonstrated its effectiveness as a modern decentralized financial system, thus strongly drawing people towards it. This led to the emergence of numerous platforms that facilitated the buying and selling of cryptocurrencies and investing in them. Among these, the Crypto.com platform is one such example, which will be the primary focus of our discussion in this video. The Crypto.com platform is an online digital platform that allows you to buy, sell, store, and exchange digital currencies. It also specializes in the mobile payments field. It supports more than 90 cryptocurrencies, providing its users with a broad spectrum of choices. Established in 2016 in Hong Kong as a financial services provider, Crypto.com initiated cryptocurrency trading in 2019. It possesses its own proprietary digital currency known as Crypto.com coin, which is identified by the ticker CRO. The Crypto.com platform is characterized by numerous features that drive many cryptocurrency enthusiasts to utilize and trade through it. One of these is a simple and user-friendly interface that isn't complicated at all. There is a wide variety of trading pairs, particularly for well-known and reliable currencies. The platform provides high protection and a very robust security system, as it offers users multiple ways to secure their accounts. From hacking and theft attempts, like the two-factor authentication system and the anti-theft protection system, it offers insurance on user funds with coverage exceeding $360 million. Additionally, it provides secure cold wallets. It supports depositing cryptocurrencies, and it also allows for withdrawing fiat currencies. It also offers a 20% annual interest for those investing in its digital currency. CRO also provides a chart for each specific currency. It also provides technical analysis tools, line drawing, risk management tools, and many other indicators. The platform's limitations primarily stem from two core aspects. First, the mandatory account verification process requiring a personal ID, which can be an issue for individuals who prefer to conceal their true identities. Second, there's no integrated educational system, meaning users must acquire knowledge about trading and investing from external sources before utilizing this platform. Creating an account on the Crypto.com platform is easy and straightforward, and we will cover the method in detail in this video. Open the app, select Sign In, and fill in your information. Please provide your first name, last name, date of birth, email address, and then enter your chosen password. Agree to the terms, click the box, and solve the CAPTCHA. Then tap Create Account. To the platform, check your email and input the code to activate the application. Next, simply tap on Login and proceed by hitting Continue. It will ask for your mobile number and country, then send an activation code. Press Continue, and the code will be scanned automatically. If the SIM card that received the code is located on the same device from which you accessed the application, you will be prompted to agree to the terms, and following that, you'll need to provide your full name, upload a selfie, and a picture of your passport. Activation with a national ID from Arab countries is not possible. Please enter your complete name precisely as shown on your passport, then press Continue, grant camera access, and meticulously capture a clear photo of your passport. Position the transparent white bar over the red square, as depicted in this image. Please ensure the passport's edges remain visible. Your passport will be scanned automatically, and then you'll be prompted to take a selfie. You are not allowed to photograph another person's passport. The passport holder needs to be the same individual as in the selfie photo. Then, open your account, and your balance will be displayed right here. Tap the settings icon in the top left corner, then activate Face ID, Touch ID, and two-factor authentication. You can begin purchasing digital currencies now, and your balance will be displayed in your crypto wallet. Now, regarding the fiat wallet, it's the traditional wallet that allows you to withdraw your money or transfer it to any address. Simply click on the fiat wallet, which serves as your conventional wallet. Then, click on Buy Crypto, choose the digital currency, enter the amount, and select the transfer method: credit card, cryptocurrency, or bank transfer. In this case, choose the currency, Euro or British Pound. Crypto.com has entered into an agreement with Visa, leading to the creation of co-branded debit cards. These cards offer you cashback, which is then credited back to you in Crypto.com's native currency, known as Crypto.com coin. Through your debit card, you can receive cashback rewards ranging from 1% to 80%. However, there are many conditions that you must be aware of. First off, if you are located outside of Europe, America, or Canada, this card is not usable. Additionally, there are multiple types of this card, such as blue and frosted rose gold, jade green, icy white, and obsidian. The midnight blue card is the easiest to obtain as it's available to anyone who opens an account. It does not charge any monthly or annual fees, and it provides a 1% cashback. So, for every $100 transaction, the company will give you $1 in the form of cryptocurrency. The Ruby Steel card provides 2% cashback and necessitates a $400 deposit into a Crypto.com account for a duration of 6 months, which you must stake. Now let's move on to how to transfer from the crypto app to the crypto exchange. First, you need to open a crypto exchange account. And pay close attention here because the crypto app account is different from the crypto exchange account. Navigate to the Crypto.com exchange, then click on Products, and subsequently on Exchange Home. This will display the platform's interface. You have the dashboard and balances, which show your balance on the platform. To deposit, click on Deposit, but before you do, you need to secure your account with two-factor authentication. Click on Settings, then Security, and activate the option that protects you from hacking. To deposit, access Deposit. Next, navigate to the crypto app. Tap your balance, select Transfer, and choose Withdraw. You'll be asked for the withdrawal destination. Select Crypto Exchange, enter the amount to transfer, and press Confirm. You'll be asked for a code and the transfer will be completed. Return to the Crypto.com exchange platform. Your message will be there. Now you can trade on it. Go to Market and choose the currency you want to buy, for example, Bitcoin. This is what trading looks like, which is very similar to the Binance platform. Just like on other platforms, you have limit order, market order, stop limit, and stop loss. For instance, when making a purchase using a market order, enter the amount you wish to purchase, for instance, $5. Then navigate to the dashboard to view your balance. To sell currency, go to Spot and click Sell. The same 4 methods previously mentioned are still available. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to sell, and you will notice that the total amount is less because of the transfer fees. Transfer funds from Crypto.com exchange to the Crypto.com app and then convert them back into cash. Next, click on Withdraw. You will be asked if you want to transfer the amount to a Ledger Nano or Crypto.com. It will ask for the amount to withdraw and will also request the code. The transfer will be completed in moments. Go back to the app and you will see that the amount has been added to your balance. To get cash, go to your fiat wallet, select Sell Crypto, choose your crypto, then convert it to transfer it to your fiat wallet. Next, tap Fiat Wallet, press Transfer, then withdraw to your bank account. Share your questions about this platform in the comments, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.